Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Bringing you another topic. Glad to be here. I want to talk about how to make money on eBay. I always talk about how to make money on YouTube and other places, but eBay is another place where you can make some extra money and you can be considered like a side hustle for you. So, the first thing to make money on eBay, you can start going around your house, cleaning up everything, and decluttering. There's so many things that you've bought in the past that you don't use anymore that you can sell on eBay. eBay is for like used and unwanted items, and you can just go through your whole house, and instead of doing like a garage sale or outdoor sale, you can just start selling this stuff on eBay. And I guarantee there's many things you could find that you don't use anymore or that you outgrown. How many times you buy a pair of sneakers or a shirt and it just stays in the closet and collects dust and you don't even touch it. So that's one way you could just make money from eBay. Also, you can just buy bulk items at a discounted price and then sell them individually on eBay. For example, sometimes there are like multi-packs at Sam's Club or Costco or even Walmart, Target. There's like multi-packs. Sometimes a company will put 6 bars of soap value pack into one package, and it'll be a little cheaper. And then from there you can individually sell them on eBay and make a profit. Obviously, you have to factor in shipping also. So shipping is probably a big part of your expenses, and you factor into the shipping into the cost, and voila, there you go. So it does take time, research, but if you do find the right items, you can make a great profit. I do that on the side, but it does take time, to find what works, what sells, what doesn't. But there are many items out there that people do want, so you just gotta look and you can find them. Also, some eBayers become drop shippers. Like they list products from other suppliers on eBay. So it's like say if I'm using Sam's Club, for example, you buy something, they buy something from you, but you directly ship it from Sam's Club and you send it to their email. So basically you'd pay Sam's Club for the item, but when you go to ship it, you're shipping it to that address, the person who bought it from you. There's great earning potential in this because Sam's and a few of them, they do ship for free, so you're actually not paying shipping costs. The customer is just paying for the item, and usually they're giving you a little more money up front for the item than they would if they went to the store. But a lot of people either don't have time or don't or like these stores are maybe 30, 40, 50 minutes away, and they just don't feel like driving, and they have kids, they have a life, they're working all the time, so you're actually providing a service, and this helps them out. Also, you can create your own, like I've seen people do unique crafts or handmade things. You can sew some stuff, you can make some stuff out of clay, or some handmade stuff that you can do personally if you have the skill, if you have the talent. You can start doing stuff like this, and voila, people will like it, and you sell it, make a profit. You just have to factor in your materials to make the item. I know one of the girls I used to work with, she actually started making her own cookies. I know there's like a big company called Crumble Cookie, but she started making her own cookies, and now she's selling them, and then now she's just buying materials and factoring the cost of everything. They might be a little bit on the pricey side, but they're delicious. So you're paying for quality, and she makes a quality product, and that's what you're looking for. Sometimes it's not just about the price; it's about quality. And if you can get quality from someone doing a homemade, that's a perfect example of what people would like. Something made from home, from scratch, instead of a company-made item. So same thing for you. If you can, do something, with your hands, design something, make something, draw something, and sell it online. That can be a great opportunity to make some extra income. You can also offer rare to find collectibles. If you can find some things that people are dying to get. There are many things that are rare. Obviously there's baseball cards that can be, signed by a certain player, or something like a Pokemon card that no one has that they're looking for. It can be many different things, but people are looking to collect things. You can have something just sitting in your attic, collecting dust. It can be an old book that maybe there's only 20 copies, or an old magazine or comic book, maybe Spider-Man, maybe Superman, and just sitting in your attic that you never known about, or you moved in the house and you never really looked all over, and it's a collectible, and people are looking for something like that. It could be a painting also. There's hiding in a certain spot, or maybe you found in your backyard a coin that someone could use, that's older, and maybe from 100 years ago. So many collectibles that can bring you a great profit on eBay. I mean, this is not going to be I say, a major source of income, because collectibles are rare, but if you find something like that, you can sell on eBay, and maybe, who knows, it could be worth, six figures or millions. Also, there's, you can buy clearance items. So all stores have clearance items that they're looking to get rid of, so they can put new product in there. Not everything's gonna, be there forever. A lot of products go in and out, and that's what companies do. They have to keep putting new products out there, so customers keep coming back. If you keep the same old stuff there, not too many people are gonna keep going to your place, because they're gonna go for they're going for the newest items, the items you see commercials on. And if you're a store and you have these items, people are gonna want to actually go and try them out, and that's why it's gonna bring traffic to the store. So obviously, because of that, there's going to be clearance items, stuff they're trying to get rid of, and it's going to be heavily reduced. And this way, you can actually buy those items and sell online and make a great profit. And I've done it so many times, and it's not hard to do. It's just you just gotta go out there. You can go online and go, say Walmart.com, and just keep looking and see what's on clearance, or you can actually go to the store and spend some time. I mean, it's like it's like a job, but it's a way to make some extra money online. Also, there's what's called, you can flip items, purchase at garage sales, flea markets, for a high price on eBay. How many days, I would say once a week at least, I see some garage sale going on here and there, and that's a great way to buy something that someone's trying to get rid of, and you can sell it online. Because obviously, if they're trying to get rid of it, that means they're going to sell it cheap. If it's not something they want to keep. If there was something they want to keep, they're going to keep it at a higher price. But because the fact that they're trying to get rid of it and make room by doing garage sale, they're actually going to sell it to you cheaper. And this is a way for you to get an item at a bargain price, and then to flip it, and then sell it to someone else. Also, another way to make money on eBay is buy damaged or faulty goods at a lower price and fix them and sell them for a profit. If you're hands-on and can fix certain things, It's perfect. I know one of my friends used to fix iPhones. He'll buy all the beat up iPhones, messed up, cracked screen, and then he'll fix it and sell it on online, and that made him a great amount of money. And I almost joined someone who was into iPhone repairs, just fixing them and selling them online. And I was with him for a few weeks, but we made a good profit because that was a thing back in the days where the cracked screen, where you drop that phone and then crack. A lot of people didn't really use cases as much as they do now, and and it's hard to use with the crack. So just to repair it instead of buying a new phone was always a solution, and people would do that, and it would bring in some money. So I'm not sure if they still do it, but if it's a great way by buying damaged goods to sell and to fix and sell online. If you can do it, it's going to be a great business for you because people are looking for sales or discounted prices on anything. That's why there's like Goodwill and other places like that. People like to buy stuff that they can reuse, wash, and instead of paying full price for something brand new that they might not even use and might sit in the closet. Also, with eBay, you can sell a digital product like online courses, software, etc. on eBay. There's a few things you can do. You can make an online course, write something down, or have someone help you do it, and sell online. Maybe your story might help someone else, because everyone has a different story. There's not one story that's the same. Everyone does and has a different life, and goes through different trials and tribulations. So by you, it's called telling your story, your motivations, how you survived through the highest pressure points in life and dealt with the most difficult things. Sometimes people can read that and it could motivate them. So you can just maybe put a course on mistakes and or things not to do that can help you get successful, and you could just outline some of the stuff that you need to skip over and to avoid for you to succeed. Purchase items at a lower price. There's auctions that you could where you see on TV where you raise your hand, go $1, $2, $3, and it goes to the highest bidder. But just because you're the highest bidder doesn't mean you're paying the highest price. So some auctions, there are auctions around your area. You can just Google it and search, and you can get some stuff at a good price and turn that over and sell on eBay. A lot of people go to the auctions, and that's where they're selling the stuff. That's how you're getting it so cheap. That's why it's hard to compete with certain people, because they're actually going to auctions and selling the next day. They're filling up their trucks with all this stuff, and then they sell it online, and they make that extra income. And it's a job, like anything else. Last but not least, you can start an eBay dropshipping business where you list products from different, various companies. I talked about it earlier, but it's, you can have Amazon, Google, Walmart, Sam's Club, Target, a local restaurant store, those stuff like that. You can drop ship from many different places and make that extra income. I just want to say it is a job, and it won't be easy, but if you're a go-getter, it will make a difference in your life to do something like this or something else. Obviously, there's money to be made. There's so many different ways to get it. People get good and seasoned at doing certain things. That's why they become successful. And who knows? You can be on eBay and make millions of dollars, or it'll be through a different avenue. but you have to try, and you have to figure it out, and you have to look. Videos like this and other videos will help you, direct you to find you what you would like and what would be the best fit for you in the future. Obviously, I have so many different things going on, and hoping that one of them sticks, and then I become a millionaire through one of those avenues. Anyway, thank you for coming to the channel. I appreciate any likes, subscribes, comments. Please leave them down below, and we'll talk to you soon. And hopefully everyone has a good November. This is the beginning of the month, and let's get this money. Take care. Bye.